Mr. Andrew, come here. Come here. You're in administration. Come right over here, so let me fix it here good. So don't right in front of me. Yeah, man, right? So you are in administration. As I want to talk to you a little bit, you know. I'm not here for disrespect, and me just make that clear. And I will never do such thing. I don't disrespect people on a whole. No matter your position in your class. When you make decision them, think about the lower class of people them where actually can't afford certain things.
Bang, bang. So you know it's your boy Flavor Media Entertainment TV. They are with a brand new show. Yeah, so big up all of my subscribers and viewers. And all who not subscribe yet, no change. The door is still open. Just click the subscribe button and turn on post notification. Yes, upon this show, me have a mixture of updates for my people them. Because right now, we have the young youth here. I ask Andrew Holness some very interested questions, viewers and subscribers. The young youth never come this him or nothing. The youth just point out some very constructive thing to him. And also, my people, me also have a big bad selector that get about $1 million money pull up for a Masicka tune where him jaw in a popular party. We currently run the place, viewers and subscribers. Also, there's another man that is asking Andrew Holness and Dr. Nigel Clark a bag of current question that the people is asking on a daily basis. You get me? So viewers and subscribers, now we have a big bad selector, Shukkle Bus, at work. For all who don't know Shukkle Bus, them man there are one big bad selector. We are tear up road right now in a real life. The selector is well informed at the moment, no joke about it. Anyway, him go run a Masicka track at an event, my people. And the amount of money him get could have full of brings, no joke. Suppose you see the amount of money there on him turntable. Him post it on Instagram and see all people in the comment section. I say, boy, them should have turned a selector. Jaja know, it well serious. Anyway, me know Shukkle Boss must go home the night. They're very happy to how him chop that big food there the night there. Him did half a tag Masicka. So viewers and subscribers, wanna check out the video. So people, me can't tell you know which part in Jamaica the event you go on, but me can tell you know which big bad selector mash up the place, which is Shukkle Bus. And the big bad genocide artist Masicka, and the track is from off his album released about 2 months ago. It accumulated over 3 million views and still counting. It is entitled Different Type Bad Piece of Track. Anyways, to how the man them go hard in other music segment pull up here, the selector did have to repost it. Shukkle Boss post it up on him Instagram saying, at Masicka Music, you never do a better song. Fire emoji. I normally post my outside work them, but BB Clark man, this day at fuck 9 to 5 outside to life. And you don't know, the genocide boss see the player and love the player. So him repost back the video with the caption saying, Dancehall in my pocket, no boy no stop it, bad selector, tag him. Now with a caption like that from the genocide boss, obviously he must send a message to him co-worker them. He must make them know say him currently around dancehall and no boy can stop that. Anyways, dancehall nice again and the artists them a find some good track. Cause intense Yahoo boys are tear up the place to right now. Anyways, big up Shukkle Boss Panda one ya. Him truly did hype up the crowd. So viewers and subscribers, right now we have the Grung God, the Grungzilla, the legend, the poor people governor, bounty killer. Basically I agree with an individual where I send with Prime Minister Andrew Holness a little message. Yo, in a real life, me no know what I go on, but everything just a go downhill. That a go on, this a go on, everything a raise, rice a raise, fear a raise, nothing a go on. JPS nor Water Commission now spare the people them. Some people hardly at work, some people out of a job due to COVID-19. Bills are get higher, I just beer madness a go on. Now, I have to admit a majority of Jamaicans is frustrated. Hence why enough of them fall out and a blast the government. So, I have to salute this individual to how him send this message to the Prime Minister Andrew Holness. Him never disrespect him or bad him up. Him just give him something to look into. In a real life, I rate that message. And from when you see the poor people governor, Bounty Killer post it, you know say nothing normal. It connect. So Bounty Killer reposted on him Instagram saying, yeah man, let's reason as Jamaicans. So viewers and subscribers, let's check out the video.
Mr. Andrew, come here. Come here. Yeah, administration. Come right over here, so let me fix it here good. So don't worry, it's in front of me. Yeah, man, right? So you and your administration, as I want to talk to you a little bit, you know. I'm not there for disrespect, I just make that clear. And I will never do such thing. I don't like disrespect people on a whole. No matter your position in your class. When you make decision them, think about the lower class of people them where actually can't afford certain things. Because we can't really understand why in the even if you say in the middle of the pandemic, because we don't know when this thing go down, we don't raise up the toll power. Flour gone up. Something where they in a basically everything where everybody cook or eat. So the toll raise just after the bread gone up. You know, say one loaf of bread for $450. You didn't know that? So you can't even use a nanny right now buy a loaf of bread and something else back at it. You just have to buy the loaf of bread alone. Or just go back to way back in the days if you go buy a quarter bread or half a bread in a paper bag. No forward, no so no want go. So how no go back way in a life, brother? Me not understand that something. Me can't understand. You know say you have people in Jamaica where get like $8,000 a week for them pay. And then I talk about my figure work Monday to Saturday. You know what I want to do to you and your administration. You and your team where I make the only decision. You know what I want to do to you. I want to put down at the same place on the call the ghetto / garrison with that same $8,000 for 1 week. And see how you survive. You know when I started on a Friday night. I want to give you 2 hungry belly pitney. Not even get 3 or 4 of them. I get 2 hungry pitney, one 3-year-old one and one 10-year-old one. And you alone as a single father. And for the woman in the administration, them alone as a single mother. And I have to find the little piece of fry, whatever them for get the pitney on the Friday night. And they Saturday the boil a nice pot of soup and something. And the Sunday I have to find the rice and peas and the whatever. You understand? On Monday morning I have to go work out of that $7,000. You know what I want to catch you to? I want to give you a gas pan. A gas where I got done pan the Sunday. You have to find money to buy it back. And I want to put you in one partner too. Just to try to survive and see, oh, you live on that $8,000. So go back and work for the other week. You don't know, think about raising people pay. In this year 2021, we're not going to raise pay. We're not going to raise bus fare now. Now, what if you find $150 from now for left from Spanish Town now if you come out? Never if you come out half a tree. And the cost of man then done a kilo already. I take $150 for if you come out half a tree already. How we are going to manage? And then curfew starts 6 o'clock and me left work 7 o'clock.
Meanwhile,
if you understand what I go on, Prime Minister, you can't make a food price. I run where? Look for chicken back, sit down for $200. Look for tin mackerel, gone at $140.
Now my viewers and subscribers, we basically have the money and ask the Prime Minister Andrew Holness and Dr. Nigel Clark a whole heap of questions where the Jamaican people them ask every day. Him basically ask them say him want them implement a thing called food security to make sure that the poor people them in the country can afford food because food price and cost of living are runaway. Him basically say everything I raise, chicken back I raise, bread, tin mackerel, flour, rice, everything where poor people eat. So people wanna check out the video and tell me what you think down into the description. So people wanna check out the video and share your thoughts down into the comment section.
Yeah, I'm the Prime Minister Andrew Holness. I want you and Dr. Nigel Clark implement a thing called food security to make sure that the people in your country can afford food. You have to understand what go on, Prime Minister. You can't make a food price. I run where? Look for chicken back, sit down for $200. Look for tin mackerel, Ghana 140. Look for flour, $70 pound. Look for rice, $8 pound. Look for sugar, $140 pack. Look for oil, $8 gel. Prime Minister and Holness, we are call out to you. One bread at $400, one sardine at $250. We need food security. Protect the fucking food in Jamaica. That means that the youth them can't afford food. Prime Minister and Holness, protect the food in Jamaica so the youth them can't afford food. And stop.
Jaja. So when you hear that, viewers and subscribers, the people them basically are call out to the Prime Minister Andrew Holness and his cabinet to help the people them, especially the less fortunate, and to protect and manage the food rate. It'll get out of hand right now, and the people them barely can afford food. Jaja, it's set away. So anyways, my people, that's my intake to everyone who reached this part of the video. I really appreciate it. And to all those that don't subscribe yet, just click that subscribe button right now and turn on post notification so that you can get notified whenever any new video is uploaded. Please also remember to drop a like, share with a friend, and drop your thoughts down into the comment section. Peace, I'm out.